Hello everybody, welcome to a new video where we're going to be stripping down this Yamaha RD350 LC engine. So we've got another engine to strip down, another two-stroke engine, as everyone seemed to like the last one. We've got this Yamaha RD350 engine, although an RD350 engine number starts with 4LO. This is actually a 4L1. That means the bottom end is actually an RD250 bottom end, but the barrels on it are actually an RD350 top end. So the only difference between the 250 bottom end and the 350 bottom end is the oil pump, and the oil pump flows more oil. The reason I'm stripping this engine down is because at some point in its life the chain has come off, it's come across and smashed a piece out of the crankcase. It doesn't affect how it works and you can still use it, but obviously there is a piece missing. So let's get the GoPro out, cue the music and start stripping down the engine. there we go. I've stripped down an RD350 engine. It's the first time I've ever stripped one of these engines down, and I've never even ridden an RD350. So yeah, bit different, bit unusual, but enjoyed it. I think it come apart pretty well. It's a bit dirty and oily, and I'm pretty sure someone's put it together with bathroom sealant in the past. That conrod's a bit, yeah, not great. So yeah, I've enjoyed taking it apart. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed watching it. If you want to check out our other videos and get a notification whenever they're uploaded, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll get a notification every time we do an upload. So until next time, we'll see you later.